All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to yet another webinar from Moldex 3D North America team, the first of the last quarter of 2025. And today's topic, harnessing FEA to enhance weld line strength prediction for unfilled materials. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Account Manager here at Moldex 3D, and I'll be presenting this topic to you today. Outline for today, introduction of weld line, although most of us are familiar with what it is. Weld line strength, understanding what it is and how Moldex 3D's FEA interface is able to capture that and pass that on to the FEA solvers, and understanding the workflow specifically for unfilled materials, weld line effect output for unfilled materials to the FEA solvers. So weld lines, aesthetics and strength defects, they are nothing but formation of when two melt fronts come together at various angles, depending on the angle of their meeting. Either they form a weld line or a meld line. The meld line being when the angle is larger than 135 degrees and less than 135, they form something called as a weld line. They give basically the strength could vary all the way from 40% to 95% of the surrounding plastic, and it all depends on what the meeting angle is, at what temperature they are meeting, and so on. So there are various reasons why weld lines get formed. They can be part of the issue in the designing of the part itself. So part designing could be a factor, gate designing could be another one, raw materials, melt temperature, mold temperature, flow rate, so on. And then there's a detailed breakdown on this particular slide here. So you can see the weld lines are aesthetic defects, but they can go deep into, and not just on the surface, but they can be inside where the melt fronts are actually meeting inside the thickness as well. So on the surface, they are surface defects, but inside they may be more of a structural defect or a structural issue as well. And that's why capturing them, capturing the defect and transferring that information correctly and accurately from Moldex 3D into the FEA solver, which will be doing the strength analysis further down, or the FEA analysis, is critical and important and a must-have in current day and age.